Welcome. I'm Tesla, the semi-stalker, infamously known as the Tesla semi-stalker, but also morphing into the Tesla Giga Nevada expansion drone coverage guy. For today's episode, I want to talk about a misconception that I've kind of been perpetuating, and that is that this area we're looking at, where the parking lot is, that sort of fills up the narrow part of the building on the north end, and we're traveling from north to south. And then you can see the fatter part of the building, which is the Panasonic battery production. I've been mentioning that area that's the parking lot is going to be filled in. And I think that's a misconception. I believe that the only wall that's not going to be expanded is the one behind us, the eastern wall, where all the loading docks are. And that would make sense that that's kind of by design, that the loading docks can continue to operate during the expansion. All of these walls, including the long western wall that we just went across, this southern wall, all is going to be expanded. Almost certainly, after I studied the rendering and did a little research. Tesla says they're going to add 4 million square feet of new manufacturing footprint. The existing semi-factory is 5.4 million square feet, meaning it's going to be 74% larger. I think it's clear that little area I've been talking about that fills in the so-called L shape of the building is not 74% more than the existing factory. Also, the shape of the building is going to have the angled corners that Tesla and Elon are famous for. And in order to do that, both the narrow end here, which is the south end, and the other end, the north end, will have to be expanded. It could be that the angle, the 45-degree angle, will start right at this corner we're looking at, that corner, and come out, and that the south end will only be expanded enough to allow for that shape, and I don't want to call it an octagonal. So anyway, this is the back east end of the building. This is the only part of the building that I believe will remain intact. All of the other sections are going to be expanded, leading to, like I said, they're 74% larger, 100 gigawatt hours of 4680 production. In addition, they're going to be adding the high volume semi-factories, which is what we're all excited for. And I think what the industry is excited for, and now everybody who's placed an order for a Tesla Semi, including Walmart, who I believe will be the next company to get the next 50 or so Tesla's semis that are built. The reason I think this is because there's a Walmart distribution center no more than 2 miles from here as the crow flies. And how convenient for Walmart to put in a mega charger facility and have the Tesla semis delivered like 2 miles away, down Electric Avenue and then up USA Parkway to the south. And you will find a large Walmart distribution center. I would put money on that is the next company and location that the Tesla semis will be delivered to. About it for that's about all I have for today. Not a lot of big changes, but in the at the Gigafactory today. But my feeling is this is the calm before the storm. I think very soon we're going to see sign of actual construction. Thanks for joining.